Hello, I'm Pastor Joyce Hall of the Maranatha Full Gospel Adventist Fellowship. We're here with the Word of the Week. And the Word of the Week this week is restoration. Now, restoration is defined as the return of something to a former, original, normal, or unimpaired state. Restoration is also defined as restitution of something that was taken or lost, or something that is restored, as by renovating or reconstruction or reproduction of an ancient building, even an extinct animal or the like, showing it in its original state. So then, my friends, have you found that you have drifted away from an original state of being that was wonderful, happy, successful, and productive and purposeful? And now you find that you feel stuck, sad, aimless, and otherwise. Well, you know. So then, as the word of the week is restoration, you must know that you can return to that space of peace and accomplishment. How? Holy Spirit will guide you into all truth, all peace, all joy, all love, and all that you need to experience restoration. The word of the week, restoration.
To sing? Come on, Pastor.
Lord,